Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'll show you how to do dip powder nails. So for this set of nails I've used Rossi's dip starter kit system. In my last video I've shown you the unboxing of this system and also the review and swatches of these beautiful colors. But for this nails I've used this color and it's called Pink Mood. It's my favorite color from the whole starter kit and I'll be following the instructions at the back here, so step by step whatever it's written I'll follow that. So first of all I'm gonna push my cuticles back because we don't want any dry skin on the nail while doing any kind of enhancement, not just dip powder, but if you do gel or acrylics, any enhancement, make sure to push back the cuticles. And just file the nails according to the length you want and the side walls. Make sure the corners are rounded and not too sharp as well, because the dip powder will not stick to the sharp corners, so make sure they're rounded. After filing, I'm gonna buff the nails, and this is a very important part of the prep because we don't want any shiny layer on our nails when you apply any kind of enhancement. And when you see the nails are completely matte, then you can just stop buffing. After buffing, I've sprayed the alcohol on my nails and just cleaning the nails with a lint-free wipe and also cleaning the underside of the nails to remove any dust. So here I'm going to use a base coat from Rossi and a Pink Mood color. And before I apply the color on my nails, I make sure to roll the container, this way the powder is distributed properly. So here I'm gonna apply a first layer of base on half of my nails. And dip the finger into the powder, tap off any excess and just wait for about 30 seconds before you apply another layer. By the time you do rest of the nails, this nail will be dry, and then brush off any excess powder from the nail. Here I'm applying a second layer of the base to my entire nail but not touching the cuticle area, and repeating the process as before. And here's the final third coat of the base to my entire nail and repeating the process as before. If you have any excess powder on your cuticles, make sure to clean it before you apply any activator. Otherwise it will get stuck there and it's hard to clean later on, so make sure you remove it. So after my nails are completely dry, I'm gonna use Rossi's activator to all of my nails. This will harden the powder, and in another way I can say like cure all the layers, and wait for about 30 seconds. Here's how it looks guys, and it's not too bulky and I don't feel that heavy using this powder. It's very light powder, but you can see some bumps here and there, so we're gonna fix it with the filing. After filing and buffing, make sure to clean the dust around the nails before we apply an activator. So I use alcohol to clean my nails. And then I'll be using a second coat of activator. This is the final coat to ensure all the nails are cured. So apply an activator generously to all of the nails and let it dry for 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna apply a first layer of top coat to all of my nails and wait for about 30 seconds. Once it's all dry, then apply a second coat of top coat, and this one will take longer, so I'm gonna let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, and it comes out really shiny and glossy, and I really like the top coat. And the final step is to apply a cuticle oil to all of the nails. So I really love how it turned out, guys, and do let me know in the comments below how do you like these nails. And I have the discount code for you which you can use, and everything I'll mention in the description box for you, so you can check it out. If you find this video helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't already yet. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.